Here's a video to show you how to clean your Skullcandy earbuds to improve your sound. It's really important to do. You're just going to take one of the earbuds. You're going to take off the rubber piece here that goes inside of your ear, just like this. You're going to take a Q-tip and go right in the hole there. Give it a twist around, really get some of that ear gunk out of there. After you get done with that, you can take these and just soak them in some warm soapy water. That'll get them really clean. Next, you're going to focus on the actual earbud device, the electronic device. You can't put this in water, but you can go to the screen here and use the Q-tip to kind of get the gunk off of there. It'll always make its way onto that, and that will really affect the sound. And then the next thing I like to do is I like to take these electronic wipes. These are great wipes, they're safe for electronics, and just give them a good once over. After I do this, I'm going to let it dry. Then I'm going to take this piece, put it right back on here. I also like to use the wipes to clean out the case as well, just to make sure that's clean. I'm going to do the other one, and then it's all set. You're all good. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.